لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا.
A couple of points that Al-Hafiz ibn Hajar al-Asqalani mentions concerning this hadith. He has a long discussion of the hadith, many pages and pages and pages. That I tried to summarize a couple of points from this that are of great benefit. And in this hadith it contains an indication of the tawqir, yani the respect of the companions for the Prophet ﷺ, such that they wouldn't even walk in front of him. And this is to teach us yani how the companions of the Prophet ﷺ, how they viewed him, and how we should view him. Yani now, how we should view him, even though the Prophet ﷺ is not living, but the respect that we should have for him, that we don't go ahead of him in speech or in action. We don't say anything without seeing what the Prophet ﷺ said. We don't do anything except knowing how did the Prophet ﷺ do it, and out of respect for our Prophet ﷺ. He also mentions, and from the important points, and like I said there are a lot of points, but the points that I want to focus on, second point, the care and attention that the Prophet ﷺ gave to the different conditions of his companions. He gave attention to this. Mura'ah, he used to pay attention, noticing what their conditions were, what was their situation, who was having problems, or other than that. He used to pay attention to this. And every leader needs to pay attention. And the leader is not just the head of the state, but the leader is whoever's in charge of other people, whether it's on the job, or whether it's at home, or wherever it may be in the community. And he's giving care to the conditions of the people, when they're sick, when they're healthy, when they are suffering, they have need, they have problems, whatever it may be, paying attention to this. That we have to be of those people that if anybody's under our charge, we pay attention to them. And the last point, he was diligent, eager to attend to that which would bring happiness to his companions. What would bring happiness to them? He was concerned about this. What will make them happy? What can I do to make them happy? This is the example of our Prophet ﷺ, and it's a part of brotherhood in Islam and sisterhood in Islam, that Muslims are concerned about one another. We want to know what will make somebody happy. Not as we find today, it seems as though some people trying to find what can make you sad, what can make difficulties for you in your life, what can make hardship, how can they slander you, belittle you, or whatever, make difficulty and hardship, fitna for you. Rather, our Prophet ﷺ, he used to look at the Muslims and see what can he do to bring happiness to them. And if people are in difficulty, how can I relieve them of their difficulty? And it's so different than what we found ourselves in today. He's our Prophet. لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو اللَّهَ وَالْيَوْمَ الْآخِرَ وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا. نعم.